Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how we can add live chat on our website. Okay, how we can add live chat on our website. Let's start the topic. Now you can see this is our topic, that adding live chat on our website. Okay, for that what you have to do, I just open Google. Okay, just open website, that is google.com, and search for a particular website, that is my live chat. Okay, just write this particular keyword and then just press enter. Okay, now you can see the first link is this one. This website you have to open. Okay, mylivechat.com. okay, this is a website. Just click on that particular website to open it. Okay, or directly you can, if you know the URL of that particular website, okay, just directly you can write this particular URL onto the browser. Okay, now this is a website which give you a free service to host a live chat provision onto your own website. Okay, you know, it's a totally free, it's absolutely free of cost. Okay, now this is a website mylivechat.com. now to use this provision onto your website, you have to register with this particular website. Okay, for that what you have to do, just click on this particular register link. Okay, this is one-time registration on this particular website. Just click on register. When you click on register, you will find a sign up form. Okay, this is one-time registration. You just have to sign up the form for your authentication. Okay, this is the email I am using. Let it be testing mohit66@gmail.com. okay, this is the email ID which I am going to use as for my authentication. Okay, and whatever password you want to set, just set the password over here. Okay, so as per the requirement you can set any of the password, and this is your first name, and this is your last name. Okay, whatever you want to say, and this is your server location. By default it is United States, that is default. Okay, you can choose any one of them. Okay, and this is your captcha code. I say this is your 9ZLBM. okay, whatever captcha code is written over here, just type it over here. Okay, accept its terms and condition and just click on sign up. Okay, you know, this is one time registration. Okay, after filling this particular form, you can see your account. You can see this is the congratulations message you will got. Okay, and what you have to do, this is the script which you have to embed onto your website. Okay, for your live chat provision. Okay, I just copy code to clipboard. Okay, just copy it over here. Okay, when you copy this particular code, and suppose I want to I want to use this code onto my own web page. After copying this particular code, you just have to open your editor, and this is my page where I want to embed my this one, you can say your live chat. Okay, I just change the title over here. Okay, I just change the title over here. This is my title. Okay, now what I want to do is just copy it from here by clicking it over here, and open the editor and open the web page in which you want to embed this particular live chat provision. Within the body tag, before closing the body tag, just paste it. Okay, before closing the body tag, you just have to paste that particular code onto your web page. Okay, after saving this, just try to see its output. Okay, if I try to see the output, I have saved this text with the name of livechat.html. this is my file name which I saved. Okay, and this is my file livechat.html. just refresh the page. When you refresh the page, you can see at the bottom right corner, you will find a live chat provision will appear. This is, you can see, leave a message. Okay, when you click on this particular thing, you can see if a form will pop up. Okay, a form will pop up for your live chat provision. Now you can see, now I want to work it as in real form. Okay, I want to implement this in real time. What you have to do, okay, onto this particular thing, okay, just do it later, just click on do it later. Okay, and you can see this is a dashboard. This is a dashboard of your this particular panel of your website. Now what you have to do, see, whenever you embed this particular live chat script, you will find this particular text, that is leave a message. Okay, when you click on this particular arrow, you will find a form will pop up. But what I want is, here leave a message should not be there. It should work on real time. It means there should be a text that is chat now. Whatever user type on another end, I will find it over here, and whatever I give the reply, that person will find it there. Okay, this is what I want. Now what you have to do, after just copy and paste the particular script, just go to that particular website. Okay, and we have a link, a button that is called Agent Console. You have to open this particular console window. Okay, just click on Agent Console. When you click on this particular link, Agent Console, you will find this particular live chat Agent Console. Means whenever you open this particular live chat console at your end, because you are the admin, okay, as your end, okay, you can see, now you can see this is my console window. This is my console window. Now after opening this console window, suppose this is the visitor website. So this is a visitor website, a user is visiting this particular website. I just refresh it. Okay, whenever I refresh it, now you can see here it is. This is called chat now. Now you can see leave a message, text is not there. Now it is chat now, text is there. Now whenever user clicks on this particular button, you can see a form will again pop up. Now suppose I am a user, suppose I as a user want to chat, want to inquire something to this particular website. I just give another name, let it be, this is the name which I want to set, this one, let it be, okay, and this is, let it be, this is the email ID, okay, let it be, this is the email ID, whatever I want, and let it be, this is the message I want to say, hello, I want to inquire about your services. Okay, this is the text which I want to send as online chatting. Just click on start chat. Okay, whenever you click on this particular start chat, suppose this is a user, okay, the message is sent by the user, and this is the admin panel. This is the admin panel. Oh, now you can see a visitor called Mahesh is waiting for the live chat. You can see, means whenever user send the message for the first time, okay, its status will come in waiting status. Okay, unless until you accept it, okay, your chatting will not start. Okay, I just click on accept button. Okay, I just want to accept it and just want to start the chatting. Okay, now you can see the message is over here. Hello, I want to inquire about services. Now I as the admin want to reply that person. Okay, yes, let it be good morning dear. This is the text I want to set. Okay, and just click on send. Okay, now you can see this is a message which I sent, and this is the message that person will got in real time implementation. Okay, yes, now I want to say I want to inquire about your services. Okay, this is the text which I want to send. Okay, user want to send, this is the text, and that person will got the message over here. You see, I want to inquire about your services. Okay, I say yes, what kind of services you want to inquire, okay, inquire about. Okay, this is the text, and you click on send or just press enter. Now you can see that user will got this particular message. Now this is called real-time implementation of live chat onto your website. Okay, but you have to do one thing. Whenever you visit this particular website, register first time, and whenever you again log in for the next time, okay, you have to open the Agent Console window for the real-time implementation of the live chat provision. Okay, this is a very simple step, and this is absolutely free. No cost is there. You can embed this particular website on this particular live chat provision onto your website. Okay, now this is not that you can only implement this onto your normal web page. Okay, by embedding that particular code onto your website. This live chat provision you can embed within any of the website. Means in WordPress also you can embed this live chat onto the WordPress, onto the Joomla, okay, and all that. Okay, this is the topic. Now I hope you all understand this topic, that how you can embed a live chat onto your website. Okay, I hope you are understanding all the teaching concepts of myself. Okay, if you like my videos, okay, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.